Here we have question 13. In this diagram, we are going to be noticing that RQ, it is the bisector. Once we know that it's the bisector, these two pieces are congruent because it says bisect PRS. There are two congruent angles, so therefore you can now set up the equation very simply because they even said they're congruent. That means these angles of angle PRQ is going to be congruent to angle QRS. Right? So the equation of angle PRQ is equal to angle QRS. X plus 40 is going to be equal to 3x minus 20 minus x to both sides. This cancels. 40 is equal to 2x minus 20 plus 20 to both sides. This cancels. 60 equals to 2x, so x is equal to 30. We want to know what PRS, angle PRS is equal to, PRS is x plus 40 plus 3x minus 20. It's both of those angles. X plus x is 4x, 20 minus 20 is plus 20. Plug in the values, 30 here, plus 20. 4 times 30, it is 120, plus 20, it is 140. So that's what angle PRS is equal to.